Hi everybody. I would like to introduce my new product, which is called as a PDF Fit. So the application is all about to convert HTML content into the PDF formats. PDF it is a software as a service product, and it's helpful for any kind of application, be it web application or Windows application, as long as they can make a API call over REST. So the user has to just create his own content in the HTML and then call the PDF web service and then get the PDF file out of it. So we in our applications we have a similar kind of need where we have to create PDF files for, let's say, for the for order for the orders and for the invoices and for the status reports and whatnot. So we all have to have some kind of way to create a PDF file from our applications. And creating a PDF file is not as straightforward as it sounds. We need to depend on various external libraries, and several software has to be installed in order to create your own code and then to create PDF file out of it. So the PDF it is going to help us in various ways. The primary help is going to be we don't need to have any other libraries uh, for, for whatever language you are working on, say .NET or Java or Python or anything. In fact, so they all support external API calls, like or the REST protocols, and they only have to call web service by passing the HTML content and get the PDF file out of it. So the PDF Fit right now supports two functionalities, which is going to be the PD, to get the PDF file from HTML text, as well as the PDF file from a web page URL. So if you see here, I got example code for all the three languages, which is C Sharp, Python, and Curl. Uh, the same concept is same for any language as well. So if you're working on Java application, you may have to do similar kind of post call and get a PDF file out of the web service. So I would like to give a small demonstration or the Postman application, which is kind of generic for any kind of software, right? So I would like to open my Postman software, and I already have got a demonstration examples for both the services from PDF it. So the first thing is going to be to convert HTML to PDF file. So we just have to do a post call, and we had to call this URL, and in the body I'm going to pass my all my HTML content, which is going to be this one. So if we see this one, right, we have got the HTML content in this parameter value, and the parameter name is going to be a simple HTML text. So when I say send on this Postman, this is going to call my PDF web service and give me a response, which is going to be, of course, 200. And I'm going to have the response saved on my desktop so that we can see it on our file. The response is going to be a byte stream, so we don't have to really worry about the file content or something. So it just create in I mean it just passes you the byte stream, and you have to and we have to convert to the actual file and save it wherever you want. So I have saved my file on my downloads folder. Let's go to downloads, and this is the demonstration one file I just saved. And here is the PDF file I just got after I called my PDF it service. So now let's go to the other example for where I had to convert a URL. Where I had to convert an entire page into a PDF file by just giving my URL. So for example's sake, I'm calling the google.com web page, and I have to give the parameter name as URL and the value as google.com. And I have this URL pdf.ml slash get to PDF file from URL, and I'm going to have the post call as well. So as soon as I do that send, it's going to call me web service, and here you go. I got the response, and I'm going to save this file as in my files system, and I'm going to name it demonstration 2. And the so I got the file now. And if you go to the file storage, and I should be getting a PDF file. Let's refresh the page. Refresh. I can't see the refresh. Okay, see. Okay, I got the demonstration 2 file here. It's going to be this one. So because the the web page is not a proper not a standard HTML file, we won't be able to get the entire styling here. But for ours for our application perspective, we need the we want the web page to have the all the CSS and the HTML in a single page to get a proper formatted PDF file. Uh, uh, so 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 we have got these two services right now, and and the, I mean the main important thing I would like to I would like to tell is that the entire code is all open source, and I got the code in my and in my GitHub, and you can access it from the GitHub icon here. It's going to show us the PDF file, PDF it source code here. This PDF file, this PDF it source, source code is all on the .NET Core 3.1, and we are using the and we're using the open source libraries for the iTech Shop, which is very helpful in creating the PDF file services. So if you're interested to contribute, please let me know, and I would, and would love to get you on board. The application is pretty straightforward. So you just have to go to my PDF with GitHub link, and then you can clone it and you can fork it, whatever you can do, and if you want to save it, just create a pull request, and I'm going to check and drop it in the mainstream. That's all I have to show about. So this is what the PDF it. PDF it is the PDF.ml is a website is the name of the website. So there is no authentication, there is no authorization. Keep it as simple as it is. The prime goal is to create a PDF file out of HTML content. I believe it's going to help you in all of the projects, and that should be it. All right then. So if you have any questions, please post an email to my email. I have got at the bottom right page of the bottom at the right page here, bottom at the right side page, and I'm also available on LinkedIn and Twitter just in case. And that's all. All right. Thank you so much. Have a good time. Bye bye.